Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make basket in SolidWorks. We learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, click New, select Part and select OK. First of all, select the plane. It's different for your product. I am going to make baskets, so I am select the front plane and sketch. Now I am going to show plain white. Okay. Now draw the line from origin. Now select here and here and here and here and here. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 95. This line dimension 257 and this point and this point dimension 20. This line dimension 16. Okay. This point and this point distance 120. Okay. Select. This point control this point horizontal. Now this line dimension 20, 11. Okay. Now this line dimension 10. Okay. I am going to this line and this line give the degree 100. Okay. Now I am going to center line here. Okay. Now I am going to fillet 20 hair fillet. Okay. Now hair fillet zero point 0.5. Okay. This line fillet 1. Okay. Now this line dimension 5. This line dimension 16. Okay. Now here fillet 1. Okay. Now go to feature and select revoltos. No. Select the center line. Now here select thickness 2. Okay. Now go to here, shaded. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the center line from margin. Now go to select ellipse. Now select here ellipse. Go to the select ellipse. Okay, select. Now this point control this center line coincident. This point and this point distance 16. And this point and this point distance 10. And this point and this point distance 12. Okay. Now this point and this point distance 50. Okay. Now go to isometric view and feature and extrude cut. Now here select through all, direction change. Okay. Now go to isometric view and select axis and select the linear pattern. Now here select extrude cut. Okay. Now give the 10. Now here give the dimension 20. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now select circular pattern. Now select here and here. Linear pattern select. Given value 32 or as you wish. Okay. Okay. Go to isometric view. Now select here undo axis. Now go to the materials use plastic. Select here plastic. Now now I'm going to select PPE. Apply. Okay. Now I'm going to color. Yellow color. Okay. Now I am going to edit sketch. Now here fillet 10, 50. Okay. Now perfect. Now I am going to isometric view. Okay. Now go to here this face and sketch. Now this line combine entities. Now select here offset, reverse. Now give here value 2. Okay. Go to feature and export. Now give below 5. Okay. Now go to here this plane and sketch. Now I am going to select here this circle given below 100. I am going to here make the company name. Now go to text. Now select here and here cat plastic. Now here change direction change cat plastic. You can here write company full name. CAD/CAM solution BD plastic. Now I am going to here font size change 50. Okay. Now I am going to exit. Exit the operation fail fully define is case. Now I am going to this line dimension 100. Okay. Now again here need to define. I'm going to select here CAD/CAM solution BD. Okay. Need to define. Okay, regular. Everything is okay, but there is a problem. So what is problem? I am going to size below. This is a problem. Okay, I am going to delete. Now here again draw the center line. This face is case again. Now I'm going to draw here line, center line. Select midpoint, control this point, coincident. Now go to hair tags, again right here, cut cam, plus 10. Okay, cut cam plus 10. Just go to here again, size below 25. Okay, exit, fully defined. What is problem? What need fully defined? It is the first time. It is a new problem. Now go to here, fully define case. Now calculate. Okay, exit. Now go to feature and select wrap. Wrap tool select. Now here select case. Okay, it is a new problem. This software. You just use the fully defined case. This is the problem will be solved. Now here select any tools. I am going to select emboss. Just below here point 1. Okay. You just select this face. Okay. Okay, make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.